Hey guys, and welcome to my skin retouching on Photoshop for the iPad video. Let's not waste any time and get right into it. So this is the image that we are going to work on. I've already done my retouching on it. I just wanted to show you guys the before and after. So we're going from this to this one. Let's take a closer look. Before and after. So I'm gonna show you guys how to achieve this with only 4 layers. Alright, so I'm just gonna delete all the layers and start from scratch. I select the 3 dots at the bottom. Choose begin multi-select mode and just select all the layers. Go back to the 3 dots and delete. So first of all, we have to take care of the flyaways on her face. We are going to create a new layer by hitting the plus sign. And select the spot healing brush tool. Make sure that you've activated sample all layers, like so, and just brush. Change the size of the brush accordingly. Now I'm gonna work on the blemishes and the distractions on her face. And that is it. I mean, she already has great skin, so that helps a lot. Oh yeah, and a little trick, you just double tap on the percentage at the top there and it will scale the image to the iPad. Moving on to the next step, tap on the little plus sign and guess what? We have curves! We will use curves, and for this one we will lift it up to add more brightness. And then invert the mask by tapping on the little lightning and invert. We're gonna create another curves layer, adjustment layer. And this time we're gonna bring it down. Tap on the little lightning and invert the mask again. And we're gonna group them together. So just tap the little dots and select those two. And then tap on the little folder there to group them together. There they are. I'm gonna rename the bottom one to Dodge. So, and the other one to Burn. And you've guessed it, this is a dodging and burning step. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys how to efficiently use it. So we're gonna create a new adjustment layer. So select the black and white adjustment layer and just put it up there. Take the red color and bring it down a lot. Okay, so because there's a lot of reds in the skin, that will darken the red areas, so you can see all the problem areas. So this is in no way saying that she has like bad skin. It's just to show you the contrast in her skin. All right, so that way we can go and do the dodging and burning more efficiently. All right, make sure that you've selected the dodge layer, and then select the brush tool. These are the settings for my brush. So just make sure that roundness is at 100%, the flow is at 1%, and smoothing is at 0%. Alright, and then just adjust the size. Let's go ahead and brush. So what I'm doing right now is wherever I brush, it's adding brightness to the area, and I'm doing it at 1% flow so that it doesn't add too much at the same time. I can go slowly and just go in the area that I want to. Okay, let me show you a little before and after. This is this before, and this is the after. Before, after. So I'm going to continue here. Once again, let's look at the before and after. All right, let's do it without the black and white layer. So this is the after. We go back before and after. So basically we've evened out her skin tone, and we did not lose any details on her skin. And you can also go even further than that. So zoom in, like make your brush really small and zoom in really close, and you see those little spots where you can bring them up even more, just those little areas, just to even it out even more. It would have helped if I do this while the layers are activated. Silly me. Let's look at the before and after without the black and white layer. Before, after. NANI? Sorry about that. Moving on. So as I was saying before we got interrupted, this is the before and after. As you can see, we can do high-end skin retouching with only 4 layers. Now don't go anywhere yet, I'm gonna show you something else. Let me just merge all the layers together. Once that is done, just duplicate the background layer. Change the blend mode to overlay or soft light. So I just want to see which one I prefer. Soft light. I think I prefer soft light. Okay, so and then add a layer mask, invert it, and with your brush tool, put your float a little higher, like 6%. Change your brush size. Just brush her face. This will add contrast. Like so. Just a little bit here. That will add a little contrast to her face. Like before and after. And there you have it, guys. Please do me a favor and hit that like button down there just to help me out with the algorithm, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. I'll see you guys later. Keep creating. Peace.